pros and cons of this Polaris Pro X 120 and this Skidoo 900 Ace Blizzard. First thing, let's start up both. So first is a Skidoo. Start her up, see how she runs. So the first is the pros. You have sport mode, normal mode, and eco. Yeah, heated grips, and some warmers. I can go really high. So keep them low. Stop it. And then next, let's pros this. Let's start her up real quick. The pros on this comfy seat, it's small and it also works really good. It's the best sleigh you can buy for your kid. Next are the cons. So first are the cons on this. There's no heated seat. And also, unlike other Skidoos, it's not a full size, but you still get this really nice bag. But I wish this could be a bit larger, and these spikes are a little bit more spiky to hang on. And it also has a clip, which is pro, and all of this. And even the looks, you would get all the ladies just with this.